It's a cold, snowy day, and a blackbird lands in the garden in search of water. It is soon joined by a pigeon, who has been searching for a watering hole in the neighborhood. The pigeon soon stakes its claim at the watering hole, and the blackbird wisely moves along. After taking a few sips, the pigeon lifts up into the sky in search of food. The watering hole attracts a variety of birds from the neighborhood, like this family of blackbirds. They come here to take a few sips of water and to frolic in the snow. When they're done, they leave the watering hole and fly away into the sky.